22, 7b97z103h, carbon atoms, sp hybrid pi orbitals, sorry, DARPA COUGAR nodes, formula Wow Seti. There's the Aniline radio signal, and this is about carbon atoms, sp hybrid pi orbitals, DARPA COUGAR wires, flex electric Higgs field, graphite films, laser beams, UFO space travel ideas for the core wire engines found in line 22 WOW data. 103 is divided into several formula videos all the way from A to I. Okay? And it looks like we're almost done with these formulas. So the previous video was line 22, 7b97z103h2, conjugated systems, electron density, aniline, oxidation, 5G Wow Seti. So I'm going to Google the keyword from a previous video's formula. It was the keyword was carbon atoms. Okay, so October 23rd, my thoughts. Pi orbitals that bind atoms together in nuclear reaction within the superlattice structure with atoms and particles. Plus laser beams to give power to a UFO engine core for quantum transport found in line 22 WOW data formula so far. So I googled the keyword ideas, carbon atoms plus pi orbitals together to see what comes up. So quotes and diagrams from a blog. WOSP2 to the power of 2 hybridized carbon atoms are then joined together by sigma and pi bonds, a double bond as shown in part B. We can't really read this, can we? It's like a little teeny weeny print. That's a little better. Okay, so this shows energy here. Y and Z. Y goes down, Z goes up. YZ is X to the power of antibonding molecular orbital, and this is up and down, or down for Y, up for Z. X, a pi bonding molecule orbital. Pi orbital formation from 2 p-orbitals. So we got 4 and 2. Now, you know what this reminds me of? Hold on. Let's do this. My thoughts. Okay, so I just had this. So this is energy. We've got, you got Y is up. Y is down. Z is up. And we've got pi anti-bonding molecular orbital, and that equals the 4 quadrupole magnets. The pi bonding molecular orbital, where it has Y going down and Z going up, is 2 monopole magnets. I don't know what that means. That equals pi orbital, no, pi. It's pi orbital formation from 2 pi orbitals. Okay, quotes from blog continue. Okay, sorry about that. I just had to do that. So then the next diagram shows p orbitals and sp2 orbitals. So here we have the 2 structures there, and we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This reminds me of those symbols on that UFO from the Roswell. Wait a second. That symbol there is on the Roswell UFO. Hold on. Quotes from blog continue. Okay. Second diagram. This is weird. Second diagram. Second diagram of p orbitals. P orbitals and sp2 carbon atoms. Looks like, I can't type. Looks like the symbol for number 5 on the UFO Roswell, Mexico, hieroglyphics. We'll make this in another video. I'll do another video about it. Yeah, I can't type today like beans. This is me today. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Just give me a second here. So let's just take this whole section here. This is how I do my stuff when I come along with stuff. Oh, let's see these. See what this has to do with that. But I'm gonna just put that in a new page and do it from. Oh, it's supposed to be a new sub page. That's where it's messed up. Oh boy. Oh, what did I do? Okay, go to the back arrow. Always go back when you mess something up. And then we got this. So I'm going to just do this sub page. Try this again. Okay, so that's from there. And then we'll go back 2 pages to get the stuff that I did. No, didn't do it. I don't know where it went. I lost it now. Leave it to me to lose stuff. I have no idea where that stuff went. I'll probably find it. Yeah, this is what happens when I film and I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll try this again. I'm going to put that into another thing. There. Okay. Just into the sub page. No. See, I'm not having much luck here today. I can't type, I can't do stuff. This is the struggle that I go through, just so you know. It's not easy. Just put second video there. I'll go back to it later and fiddle with it later just so I know where I'm going. Okay, I apologize for taking too much time to do that. So we're going to continue. Quote from the blogs, continue. 3 2p atomic orbitals combine to form a sigma and 2 pi molecular orbitals, each as a bonding and antibonding pair. The overall bonding order depends on the number of antibonding orbitals that are occupied. The subtle change in the energy of the O2p bonding orbital relative to the 2 degenerate pi bonding orbitals due to sp hybridization. Finally, in the case of carbon atoms with only 2 bonding partners, only 2 hybrid orbitals are needed for the sigma bonds. In this sp hybrid orbitals are directed 180 degrees from each other. Whew. October 25th, my thoughts. The sp hybrid orbitals are directed 180 degrees from each other. Can this force create a nuclear chain reaction to move the UFO ship around in space with colliding particles, bouncing off the piezoelectric crystals in a mesh electron hole wall by adding the Hall effect equations to the formula. A nuclear chain reaction to move the UFOs around in space with colliding particles combined with laser beam diffraction. And we'll see, add some mirrors there. Okay, so formula idea. sp hybrid orbitals, piezoelectric crystals, Higgs bosons, force carriers, movement 180 degrees, proton energies, particle. I'm going to do 180 degrees, so I'm going to do right, left, up, or down. Proton energy particles, power, churn, UFO chorus signals. Nodes, DARPA COUGAR, hollow core fiber optic wires, nanowires, microwires, fluoroscopy gun, copper super alloys, bendable metals, plus air pressure. So this is a quote from a blog. Sorry, quote, diagram, quote, picture from blog. Okay, so I got this picture here to show you what I mean by creating pressure. Arrowhead squeezed bottle of water expands and pops out from heat. UFO space travel, alien technology ideas, Linda Randall, Wow Seti, line 22, 103H. My thoughts, whenever I save a picture, I put my name as well as the data where it's from so that it links it to that website. That's how I do my keywords. So my thoughts and mine. Picture an empty water bottle, squeeze it. It sits in a bit It sits like that for a few seconds, then add heat. The bottle expands and pops out, causing the mass of the bottle to move from one place to another. Okay, I don't know if that's true or not, so let's put a question mark. It's just a question. Quotes and diagrams from the blog. 2 p-orbitals remain unused on each sp hybrid atom, and these overlap to give 2 pi bonds following the formation of a sigma bond. A triple bond is shown below. Okay, I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can see this. So we have the p orbitals here, sp orbitals and p orbitals there. So sp hybridized carbon atoms, and this is pi orbital, sp orbital, pi orbital, carbon to carbon triple bond. And that's from the blog www.chemistry.msu.edu. Okay. Keywords and ideas are quantum qubit polarity is going to be in the next video. Thank you for watching.